Hi everybody, it's Alex Hughes here with Remax Alliance. Thank you for joining me for my first video in our 6-part series from contract to close. Now when you're first thinking about buying a home and getting excited, I want to make sure that you get an idea of what your non-negotiables are. Whether this is the amount of bedrooms, the location, even the type of heating, make sure you got a clear understanding of what that is. Now the next step is to go to the bank or talk to a mortgage broker and get a good understanding of where our financials will sit. And although they're not set in stone, set realistic expectations for our search. Now on top of that, when we meet for our first consultation, I'll be bringing a net sheet that I've developed because it's not only the purchase price that we have to consider. Additional costs such as inspection, the lawyer or conveyancing fees that's going to be transferring the title in your name. Another expense that people often don't think of is the property transfer tax. Now this is one of BC's biggest tax, and in short, it's 1% up to $200,000, 2% from 200 to 2 million, and 3% from 2 million and on, so it can add up quite quickly. Now there are some exemptions that will apply if you're a first-time home buyer or in the new build, but that will be more on a case-to-case basis. Now that's everything I got for you today. Thank you so much for joining this first video, and I'm looking forward to next week when we talk about accepted offers. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, or feel free to leave a comment below on any topics that you think I should cover.